In this video, I'm going to show you how to grid your paper so that you have a square. To do this, you need a piece of paper, either from me or from your sketchbook, and either a ruler or some other type of straight edge, and your phone with that same website that I showed you in my last gridding video. So your first step, you are going to take your ruler and you are going to measure in 2 inches close to the bottom of the page and the top of your page. This is on the long side. Okay, so 2 inches from the shorter side of your paper. Then take your ruler, connect those 2 marks that you just made. This is important because your grid should be the same width all the way across. Now I'm doing this in Sharpie so that you can see my lines. You should be doing this in pencil so that you can erase your grid after. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to measure in 2 inches from the edge. Make sure that the 0 mark of your ruler is on the edge of your paper. Mark 2 inches. Use your ruler or straight edge to line up 2 dots, and then draw your line. There we go. This square now measures 8, or not quite a square yet, but this measures 8 inches across. Then, on the tall side of my paper, I'm going to take my ruler and I'm going to measure in 1/2 inch, just 1/2 inch. Put a mark, put another mark at 1/2 inch, and then connect those 2 marks. Like that. Here we go, like that. Then I'll do the same thing on the other side. 0 inch mark at the edge of my paper, 1/2 inch, and 1/2 inch, and then connect your marks. All right, I now have an 8 by 8 square on this paper. All right, so I have borders that are 2 inches and 2 inches and 1/2 inch from the top and the bottom. Now inside my grid, I'm going to take my ruler, put my 0 inch mark at this edge of my border, and I'm going to mark every 2 inches. So 2, 4, 6, and again at the bottom. 2, 4, 6, and then connect my marks. Ta-da! Then the other way. Turn my paper, line up my 0 inch line with the edge of my border, mark 2, 4, 6, And the other end, mark 2, 4, 6. And connect my marks. Now, when you're done, each square in your grid will be a 2-inch by 2-inch square. Once you've done this, you're free to go ahead and start working on transferring your image.